felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Oh, hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another video. So it is surgery day. Yep, it is a surgery day. For those that don't know, it's not my surgery day, it's Faith's surgery day. We prepped and did whatever we needed to do in the last couple of days, got her diet stuff stacked up because she's gonna be on like a strict diet for the next few weeks, so we got that together and everything that she needed just up till today after her surgery, her post-op and all that stuff. So we are actually about to go ahead in. Oh, and happy birthday, baby girl. She is 17 today. I know she's having surgery on her birthday. But we are going to say a prayer like I always do, and we're gonna go in, hope for the best. And you know, because any type of surgery, from you're going underneath the knife, your life is at risk, you know. So, and just like any day you wake up, you're pretty much at risk. So, you know, just, you know, me and her just had a heartfelt conversation last night and just kind of letting her know that she'll be okay. You know, it's their first time having surgery, and you know, anybody will be concerned and stuff like that. But I'm going to be there with her. So Mario's on daddy duty. It's gonna be hard for him because he just got home from work, and yeah, so he's gonna have to take care of Mario because I need to be there for my baby girl, to make sure that she's okay and I see that she comes out safe and sound, and be there for when she wakes up. So yeah, if I could have brought Mario with me, I would have, but I can't bring him. It would just be too much. So I'm gonna be there, probably gonna do some editing, try and get some work done because I have a few stuff that I gotta do work-wise anyways. So happy birthday. Happy sweet 17. Oh my gosh, how does it feel to be 17?
I feel like I aged 10 years.
Yeah.
My face is breaking out today.
Yeah, her face is breaking out too. Everything in one is just not the time. This is the time of the month, so it's just horrible all around. Oh gosh. So are you ready?
My birthday, you know what I thought about? My birthday this year is so different from last year.
Yeah.
Because last year I was going to go get stuffed animals for my birthday, I'll go eat, get my nails done, and then this birthday, I won't even remember.
Oh my gosh. So are you ready for your surgery? How do you feel?
Scared.
That's okay.
You want to take it for me?
I have my surgery coming up. You want to do mine too? Okay.
You know you could just like, let's do like a little thing where you put your soul into my body. And then,
your soul,
and then you
can
recover.
You'll be out. You won't even know that will be like hours of your life that you won't even comprehend whether you're dreamed or anything like that. Well, some people, it all depends actually, because some people's soul, they actually feel when like people are tugging at their body and all that. Okay, let me not say that because okay. Oh gosh, I gotta go call grandpa anyways. Mario, look at this. Mario, now bring him. Just put on sitting down. I'm right there. Oh my gosh. But anyways, guys, we will catch you guys when Maria's gonna drop us off, because within the last 2 days I've spent over $50 on parking, and then at the end of the day I don't know how long the surgery, they said the surgery is supposed to be like a couple of hours, and then after that she has to go and recover. So you know, I'm gonna stay with her because don't know how long that is going to be. Oh, all right. So we are on our way. Say hi, Pop Pop. He's just going for the little drive. With babes. So me and Faith are coming out and leaving the two of them in here. Oh gosh. All right. Well, we will see you guys at the hospital. Alright guys, so we're here. Feet's all checked in. We're literally waiting. I'm waiting for them to call her and to go. You go home. Not right now. I'm waiting for them to call her and to go get prep. Yeah, I won't do this no more. There's no turning back now. So we just finished, went through all the paperwork, charting. The feet's been drugged up a little bit. So, oh, and they even gave her toys to play with. So, yeah.
It's leaking.
And so,
Nice.
yeah, they even gave her toys to play with. It's okay. It was like they're playing with the thing. And so she's gonna have to get changed into
Those little
her
kids are
gowns
so
and stuff.
dumb if they tell me that it tastes like blueberry. They're such liars.
Oh gosh,
Blueberry my backside. You know, with the second one, I shot it right at my tonsil. When I did it, I just felt it like glide down. I'm over it. I can't take a pill.
we're just waiting for a doctor to come in, and
Mommy said she's gonna do the surgery for me, guys.
and then yeah, she's gonna have to change out into her stuff. So while Lisa's done, you can go call her Faith. You got time. There's a little kitchen over there you could play.
I know that kitchen is so tiny though. It was bigger than me.
See, they showing you what they're gonna do to you, you know? They'll make you lay down and put the
But that's so
oxygen over
like
your face.
something I'm being there by myself.
Oh heck, once they put that thing over your face and you're out, you don't even
They're like, count to
realize.
10. Count backwards. I'll be like 10, 5, 8. Wait, no, that's wrong. 10, 9, 9, 8. Not 5, 8, 9, 8. 10, 9, 8. 7,
Gosh.
6.
Yeah,
See, all that. How many years you go to school for? 12? I don't know. Is it 12 years? All that 12 years of schooling and I still don't know how to count backwards.
12 years, it's more than 12 years. Because if you count kindergarten, junior, and senior, that's actually 14.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that we did 2 years of that. They're so wicked.
So it's 14 years
Like,
of school
I could've
from
been
junior to senior kindergarten to grade 12. And then based on what you're going to, you either go to college for a year, 2 year, or university for a 4 year. And if you're going for a master's, based on what you're going for, it could be up to like another 10 years. So you actually would spend about almost 24 years of your life in school. What kind of system is this and who designed it?
Wait, did I just say
Is that like for Mario?
7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. What, 21?
So,
22? It should be 21 or 22.
So yeah, and then I think when you're done, I think you go to a different room. Like after your surgery, they'll let me know in the fortnight.
I'm hungry. Oh my god, these people are starving me.
You're hungry and then you've been
It's been past 12 Mary's calling.
We'll be back shortly, guys. Okay, guys, it's time. So she's about to get dressed, and
It's the shoes.
okay, guys. So it is time. So she is getting undressed now and putting on. Well, I'll show you guys her hospital fit, which is done. And then she is off to do her surgery. Oh. Faith is already ready for surgery. Oh my gosh. How are you feeling?
I'm more nervous now.
Yeah, you'll be alright. Let's say a prayer and go in with faith. Here? Go in with F-A-I-T-H. Huh?
When they come and get me, do I go by myself?
They're gonna take you in. I can't go into operating room because it's sterilized. Yeah, I'll see you in the OP room. So after you're done your surgery and you're recovering, I'll be on the other side waiting for you. You're okay. I know it's nerve-wracking, especially it's on your birthday, but that's okay. And I guess we will catch you guys after surgery because this is where we're going to part. So I'm gonna go in the other room and wait for her there. Yeah. Don't twiddle in the fingers. Look at you. A little already. Okay, yeah. We'll see you guys after surgery. I'll see you guys before that, but she'll see you guys after. So it's about 2:30 now. We're running a little bit late. Faith was supposed to have surgery at 1 o'clock. She's well comfortable over there. So they came in and spoke to us. The doctor's running a bit late because he ran in with the other person having surgery late. So we are just waiting on that. They're running in about an hour and 40 minutes. So hopefully, yeah, they'll be at 2:40. They're supposed to be ready for her. So we're just waiting for that. They already took all her belongings and stuff to the post-op room, and yeah, just kind of walk through all the stuff that we needed to get done. What she needs to be looking for as they go in, what they're going to be doing. They just kind of prep her ahead of time so she doesn't freak out when she gets in there. And yeah, they will basically walk her through what they're doing as she goes in, and they start hooking up everything to her body. Yeah, and they gave her a little bear for her birthday.
We're gonna go home. Mama is gonna be like, "What's that, mine?"
So yeah. So how much hours you going on fasting now, Faith?
Not clear. I go to boss.
Because she can't drink nothing, can't eat nothing, and yeah, but they'll have stuff prepared for her once she gets into the room after her surgery. Yeah, so but we'll be able to show you guys all that once we are in there. Yeah, so it's just waiting. Yeah, so it's just waiting process right now. So, but at least it's cute though. They got a little Elsa, and what's the other one? You have Elsa, and who's the other one? What's the sister?
Anna.
Elsa and Anna.
Olaf, and then
What's the snow?
Olaf.
What's his name?
Olaf.
Forever. Oh, that's his name?
Yeah.
Okay, on the wall.
And then the reindeer, I don't remember his name. And then that guy with the big old nose, I don't remember his name.
Is that one him over there?
Yeah, he's
Okay.
Anna's boyfriend or whatever. But
Yeah, so it's cute, a cute little theme. Or Mario's theme yesterday was animals. I would have to go back and check. I don't remember. But you guys would have already gotten that vlog since I was at the hospital yesterday. All day. And now I'm back, but with a different child all day. Yeah.
For a different purpose.
And for a whole different purpose. Yeah. But still pediatric. Yeah. So. But yeah. Catch you guys afterwards. Yeah. Oh, feet and surgery room. Oh gosh. Where are they going for it? I'll see my way. What's the question you just asked me? How do I know you? I'm your mother. No? Well, who would I look like to you? Hmm? If I'm not your mother, who am I to you? Oh no. No? Do you remember your name?
No.
No. Why are you crying? So we're in the other room now, in the recovery. So we're just waiting. So this would be the room that should be discharged from. Still a bit out of it, but yeah. So yeah, she's still a bit out of it, but hopefully she'll come to soon, and then we can hopefully go home. But what a cute picture. Oh Lord. But thank God she's came out of her surgery safe and nothing wrong with her. So I'm glad for that. So we are heading home just now. I just finished, cleaned up, disposed of everything in the swab bin, throw out everything. So just that, and that's it. I'll see you guys at home. We literally just not too long got home and I showered and there is Faith. Yes, what was that? Still a little bit, not much words, but they are home. But then came home and then I hear Memphis is not feeling well now. And Mario's already sick. What are you knocking for? What are you knocking for? Say hi. Say hi. Were you good? Were you good for Dada today? Oh boy. And she's gonna have to go probably lay down, take it easy. She's gotta be up every, I think, 2 hours for med and stuff like that. So yum yum. But I'm about to go have some Caesar salad. It's 8 o'clock and I'm just literally having dinner. This is gonna be the first thing that goes to my mouth for morning, like just eating. So I literally fast for more than 12 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna put my food in the microwave and something there.
What? What? What does she mean by I don't know what I mean. Oh, sorry.
So this is a part of my dinner that I'm gonna have. There's still mac mac and cheese from last night with wings. So yeah, I didn't eat everything, so I'm about to have that. Unfortunately, no food for Fate. Fate is strictly water, ginger ale, what else? Applesauce, smoothie type of diet for the next while. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know it's not the vlog festivities that usually occur on their birthday, but we're gonna celebrate Fate's birthday at a later date. So I'm gonna go stuff my face. I'll hide and stuff my face, Fate. Yeah, I'm gonna stuff my face. That's why I always tell you, you see, when you're sick, when you're healthy, eat when you're healthy. Cause when you're sick, you cannot eat. But don't overeat. It's a sin to overeat, guys. Yeah. What's movie taste good? Look at her dinner. Drink up. Don't worry, Papa. Mommy will give you some of the salad. So I'm gonna go.
Put my teeth together to swallow. It's easier that way.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams family.
Awesome.
Yeah, we are back and in full swing. So let's get it. See you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.